Okay. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be making a Python calculator, which is a very simple project to test the basics. So we're going to make some functions. This will be the bulk of the code, but it's pretty much copy and paste for every single one. So we're going to want to do number one, which is going to be your first input. Number one is equal to input, and we're just going to ask what numbers do you want to add, and then put a space here so that it just looks better. Num2 input, let's just go second number. You can put whatever you want here, it's not going to matter. Okay, so then our answer is going to be equal to num1. I'm actually just going to type it and then I'll explain it when I'm done. So okay, so what this does here is it grabs this value that you inputted and this value that you inputted, converts it into an integer and adds them. Simple enough, but yeah. And then we're going to want to print answer. Alright, so now you can copy this code 4 times for each of them and change something. So we're going to do minus, change this here, change this sign, and then multiply. I'm going to change this, multiply, change this. I'm sure that this doesn't really need any explanation because it's pretty obvious what I'm doing here. Double slashes because that's just the Python for dividing. If you did one, it would be for floats. So I'm not going to get into that, but it's different. Now this main function is going to be what displays first. It's going to give us the options. So we're going to do one, add, print to. Also, something I wanted to point out: these, it doesn't matter whether you do this or this. Just be consistent with the ones that you choose to use, because if you mix and match them, then it won't work. But either one works. Speaking of which, okay. Wait, I messed up here, sorry. God, I'm messing up a lot. Okay, that's that part done. Next, we're gonna do if main underscore name underscore equals to parentheses main underscore main. I don't really know why this works, if I'm being completely honest, but it just calls upon it, I guess. Wait, hold on. Let's just test this. I just am doing that to check because I kind of forgot the syntax for the part. Alright, so this will call upon the main function first. Alright, now that that's out of the way, we're going to define a variable called choice. This is going to be what you chose, obviously, so choice equals input pick a number. I'm also using the basic Python IDEO. You can use Visual Studio Code, it doesn't really matter. If choice is equal to the reason why it's equal to instead of just equals is because this is any word that you put equal to defines a variable. So this is just if you want it to actually like equal something, like your answer to equal something. So since we're looking at, we want our input to pick any of these, right? But when we pick one, we want it to actually do it. So if the input is equal to 1, we want the choice to be equals to 1, which is and then we call upon the function that adds, and we're gonna just do this for everyone. So I'll just skip this part. Oops. Sorry. This is supposed to be. You could just do else's, but if you're going to be doing it like this, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do else ifs. So I'm going to do it. And then divide. Oh, I keep messing these up, man. This is supposed to be divide. This is supposed to be multiply. Sorry for that. And did I spell that right? Okay. One last else here. If they did not choose any of these numbers, we want to tell them we want to put this print please choose a number. Okay, let's run this. Pick number. So we got add, minus, multiply, divide. Let's say 4. What numbers do you want to divide? Let's do 25 and 5, and boom. So that's basically it. Bye.